Welcome to TripVision. If you're getting ready to explore the world, why not do it like a pro? In today's video, I'm sharing my go-to travel hacks, my personal packing list, airport time-saving tips, and how to make the most of your adventure without blowing your budget. Ready? Let's dive in. Use packing cubes to keep your suitcase organized and maximize space. They're a game changer for compressing clothes and finding what you need fast. Pack versatile clothing that you can mix and match. Think layers, neutral tones, and multifunctional pieces. Roll your clothes instead of folding. This saves space and minimizes wrinkles. I never travel without a lightweight scarf or shawl. It's perfect for chilly flights, sudden weather changes, or dressing up a casual outfit. A reusable water bottle is essential. Stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste while you're on the go. I always bring a mini first aid kit with essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and allergy meds. Better safe than sorry. Don't forget a universal adapter and a power bank. These are lifesavers for staying connected anywhere in the world. A travel umbrella and a small flashlight also go into my bag. You'll thank yourself during unexpected showers or power outages. And finally, I love carrying a travel journal and pen to capture memories, reflections, and those little moments that make a trip unforgettable. First tip, arrive early. Giving yourself extra time helps avoid unnecessary stress. Use online check-in and airport apps to monitor gates, delays, and baggage claims. Trust me, it's a time saver. Keep your carry-on bag TSA friendly. Pack liquids in approved containers and place essentials like your passport and charger within easy reach. Want to level up your airport experience? Airport lounges offer comfy seating, fast Wi-Fi, and complimentary snacks, sometimes even priority check-in and security access. For frequent flyers, TSA PreCheck is worth every penny. You'll breeze through security with your shoes, belt, and laptop still in place. Got a layover? Explore the airport. Many have art exhibits, mini museums, or wellness zones to pass the time. Budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Norwegian can get you to amazing places for less. Just know what you're getting. Be mindful of extra fees for baggage seat selection or even printing your boarding pass. Read the fine print. Pack light and use your packing cubes and rolling techniques to skip extra luggage costs. Check the airport's location. Some budget carriers use remote terminals that may add time and cost to your trip. Compare total costs, check baggage allowances, and always read airline reviews before you book. Pro tip: sign up for fare alerts and use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner or Google Flights to snag the best deals. Want to truly connect with a destination? Hit up local markets, try the street food, and talk to locals. That's where the magic happens. Join a free walking tour, visit cultural spots, and look for local festivals to get a deeper sense of place. Download offline maps and translation apps. They're a lifesaver when Wi-Fi is spotty or non-existent. Use a VPN to keep your online data secure while using public networks. And finally, keep digital and physical copies of your important travel documents in a safe and accessible place. Thanks for joining us today on TripVision. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, these tips will help you pack smarter, travel lighter, and explore deeper. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a travel tip. And hey, drop your own must-have travel item in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring with TripVision, your guide to the world.